In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a code on a Windows PC. If you've received a Microsoft gift card, subscription code, or any other 25-character Microsoft code, the redemption process is very simple once you know where to go. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. To do that, go down to your taskbar and click the Start menu icon. Once the Start menu opens, type Microsoft Store into the search bar. You should see the app appear in the results. Click the Microsoft Store icon to launch it. If it takes a moment to load, that's completely normal. After the store window opens, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your profile picture, or in some cases, a general account icon. Click on that icon to open the account menu. A small drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, select Redeem Code or Gift Cards. This is the section where Microsoft allows you to apply prepaid codes directly to your account. Once you're in the redemption screen, you'll see a box where you can enter your code. Type or paste your 25-character code into that field. If your code doesn't include hyphens, that's okay. You don't need to add them yourself because the Microsoft Store handles that formatting automatically. That makes the process a little easier and helps avoid typing mistakes. I don't have a code to enter right now, but if you do, this is exactly where you would redeem it. Just take your time, make sure the characters are entered correctly, and continue through the prompts on screen. That's all it takes to redeem your code on a Windows PC. Once you've gone through it once, it becomes a very quick and easy process.